What's up everybody, this is Mike and today we are going to talk about the Black Friday deals that you can expect from DJI this season. So last year I made a Black Friday deals video and you guys really liked it, so of course I had to do the same for this season as well. Let's start off with something that is really exciting for me. DJI themselves reached out to me and gave me 9 discount codes that I can share with you guys. These codes will give you 5% off of your total purchase price if you buy a Mavic Pro Platinum. Those codes are only valid for this drone and give you 5% discount. The code is valid from now until the 31st of December, so you'll have plenty of time to use it, and there are only 9 codes available, so check out the description and use some of them before they run out, because they give you some good discounts if you want to buy the Mavic Pro Platinum. So as you can see, I have printed out a small cheat sheet because there are so many numbers and I don't really want to confuse any of them, so I will be looking here, but let's start off with the basic stuff. First, when does the Black Friday sale start? For you folks in the US, the Black Friday sale starts on November 18th and ends on November 27th. There is a Black Friday specific page which you can check in the description, but it's not going to be active if you go before the Black Friday sale starts. So make sure you click on that link and bookmark it and go back when the sale starts in your region. If you're based in Europe, the Black Friday sale starts on the 23rd of November and ends on the 26th of November. So it's a bit shorter in Europe and UK and in other regions, but in the US it's the longest and it's from the 18th until the 27th. Now, what can you expect from this Black Friday sale? Well, unfortunately, DJI is not going to provide some major discounts on the newest drones, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom, but you will be able to get your hands on the older drones with a severe discount, I would say. So let's start off with the Spark first. The DJI Spark is going to go down from $549 to $459. So that's a $90 discount on the Spark Fly More combo. But actually, I think you are going to enjoy this next one a lot more, and that is the Spark controller combo. That is the drone and the controller. So you get the controller, 1 battery, and the drone for $399, which was the original price, and the sale price is going to be $359. So $40 discount on the Spark controller combo. I think this is a good deal, and you can get cheaper batteries from Amazon or eBay for a lower price. Let's get to the next drone, which is the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air Fly More combo is going to go down from $999 to $899. So $100 discount on the Mavic Air Fly More combo, which is one of the best deals I think right now. If you're just going to go for the Mavic Air, the original price was $799 and now the new price is going to be $699. So if you're only going for the drone, you also get a $100 discount. As far as the DJI Goggles Racing Edition, the original price was $549 and the new price will be $449. So again, $100 off during the Black Friday sale for the goggles. The Osmo Mobile 2, this really good smartphone gimbal, is going to go down from $139 to $119 during the sale. So not a really big discount, but still a small discount for the Osmo. If you're looking to buy a smaller drone like the Tello, maybe for your kid or for your wife, somebody who doesn't know how to fly and you want to hook them up on flying a drone, the Tello has 2 different options. We have the Tello Boost combo, and that goes from $149 to $99, so $50 discount on the Tello Boost. And if you just want the drone without the controller, you can easily fly it with just your smartphone. The original price was $99 and the promotional price is now $79, so $20 discount on the regular Tello. Now, one thing I should mention is that as soon as the Black Friday sale ends, there is the winter sale, which begins until the end of the year. So basically DJI is trying to free up some stock before the end of the year. I believe that could be due to a new drone coming up soon or something else that they're planning to do price-wise with those drones. And those are pretty much all the deals for now. I think you're going to enjoy them, especially if you're looking to get a cheaper drone such as the Spark, the Mavic Air, or even the Mavic Pro Platinum. You can use those 9 discount codes that I'm going to give you in the description. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those discounts. I really hope you can manage to shop something for yourself and get a good deal out of it and just enjoy flying a lot more from now on. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the beginning of December when I'm going to announce my insane Christmas giveaway. If you remember last year, I gave away a DJI Spark. This year is going to be a bit better, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited to share it with you, but it's coming soon. That being said, guys, thank you for your attention. It was a pleasure to make this video. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!